Hi, my name is Doug Jefferson, and this is my introductory video for EDL 852, Intro to School Administration. So starting off, my current position is I'm a social studies teacher at Augusta High School. This is my 20th year here. I am a middle school assistant football coach and currently the head baseball coach. And I teach all grades. I have freshman geography, sophomore world history, and then a current events, which is anyone freshman through senior. So my experience with leadership, obviously with the coaching, that's one of them. Another one would be this is my 20th year in education here at Augusta. During that time, I've been on numerous committees. I've also been department head several different times. I've been involved in many interviews, usually whenever we're hiring new teachers. Teachers here get to sit on the interview committees, so I've done that multiple times. I've also been on multiple expulsion hearings, and about 10 years ago when we passed a school bond, I was also a member of that committee and helping put the bond together for the public vote and the ways we were going to package it, what we wanted done in the bond. So if you're anywhere for a long enough period of time, you're going to be involved in a lot of things. And why do I want to be a school administrator? Number one, I think it's just a natural progression. I always said I'd never go into administration. However, this being my 20th year, I'm kind of looking for something new. I've got a lot of experience in a lot of different avenues and seen a lot of different things, whether it being different ideas coming and going in education or just in our district in general. I think my experience will be beneficial, and probably what made me start taking these classes more than anything else was the recent interviews I've been on for administrators in our district. Just kind of seeing what was out there, what experience people had, what they know, and from their interviews I'm like, well, I've got just as much experience if not more, and I need something new to do. Like I said, I've been doing this for 20 years now in the same district, so it's time to try something else. So get my certification, and we're going to see what administration looks like. Finally, some additional information. One of the reasons why I'm taking these classes through Fort Hays State is because I have 3 children. I have an 8th grader, a 6th grader, and then a kindergartner. So we're very busy. We're involved in stuff. Like I said, I coach both in the fall and in the spring, and in the winter my wife is a basketball coach. So we're always doing something. The kids are always at practice. We're involved, and this was the most time, or the best way time-wise for me to get my certification was through Fort Hays. So just a way to spend time with my family, not have to drive. Also, with them being involved in middle school sports and here next year with high school sports, it's time for me to spend some time with them. Like I said, I've been doing this for 20 years. I've coached everybody else's kids, so now I'm going to go watch mine play and sit back and relax and enjoy watching them have success. And in the previous slide, I mentioned that I've done this for a while now, and it's time for something new, time for something different. I've dealt with kids for 20 years, and maybe it's time I move up and deal with some parents and some different people in different ways. So thank you very much. Look forward to this class. Looking forward to learning from my future classmates. Thanks a lot.